In today's video, we will be looking at layers. Canva has this function where you can layer different elements. I've just taken a template from the Canva site. This is a template for business. It's a online business strategy webinar for an Instagram post. Now, if you look here, you can see that it has different fonts, different font styles, different font sizes, images, and so on. So what we can do here is just to show you how it's done. So if you look at this, you can see that this image of the man with the laptop, he is behind this. Okay, so if I were to click on this word business, you can see that it goes over him, right? So what you do is, and it goes over the online as well. It's very simple. So when you click on it, then you go up here to position, you click on position, and this comes out. It shows you where you can position the layers. Okay, you can arrange them, and then you can have it this way as well, where you can layer them. So you can do it two ways. So you can overlapping and all. So let's just go to arrange. Now if you look at strategy right now, is overlapping business, and the corresponding layer, you can say forward and front, is grayed out. So if you click backward. Now there's a difference between backward and to back. Backward means just one step backwards, and to back means all the way back. So if you click on back, what it means is, see, it's disappeared because it's gone all the way back behind the image, this image. So we bring it back to the front by clicking to front, and backward means just one step. So when we click backward, this strategy should go behind the business. So we click backward, you can see it's gone behind the business. So it's just as simple as that. So we bring it back to forward. So let's say you want to do something right now. So we'll we will put in a text that says webinar. So, and we will move it here. Let's make it bigger. Let's change the font to webinar. But this is just an example. So for now, let's just delete that. I just want to show you. So you can either go up here to decrease the size so that it fills the little box here, or you can just pull the sides here. Okay, so let's say it says webinar, and we'll change the color to white. It's too white. We can change the effect. Okay, let's go to effect, and we'll say outline. It's the outline. You can change it, make it thicker, and instead of gray, let's make it black. So it gives like a 3D effect. So now what you can do is, if you see this, it is on top of all of this. So what you can do is, you click on webinar, you go to position, and you click backward. So it goes behind this word online. And let's say you want to move the strategy a bit, business, online. Now another thing you can do, so maybe you want this guy position, okay, to be to the front. So if you see that, business goes behind him. So Canva's layers are quite straightforward, really. All you have to do is just click on the image that you want to adjust, go up to positions, and then you can just adjust. Like even here, position, you can have it to the right, it goes to the right, to the middle, it goes down behind, because these are all individually done, you see. So if we go back, you see this orange is actually another element. So let's say you wanted to change the color, okay, blue, you will see the difference. See, can you see that the color was changed? So all of these are individual elements that you can apply layers to, colors to, and so on. Hope this clears up some of the questions that you may have.